Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Spring Tool Suite or STS on a Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how to create a Hello World Spring Boot project and how to run that on STS. So do watch the video till the end. I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you're still facing any issues in middle, you can always ask me on comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so you can also follow me over there and you can ask all of your doubts over there as well. I'm definitely going to help you. So now to install Spring Tool Suite and to use it for Spring Boot projects, it is very important to have Java installed. So on my previous videos, I have already showed you how to install the latest version of Java, that is Java JDK 23. So do follow that video and install your Java. Once you have Java installed, you are good to install STS. So let's verify whether Java is properly installed or not. So just go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt. And within command prompt, if you just simply type java space dash dash version, hit enter, you can see it is showing that I have already Java installed. So if you are getting this type of prompt, and all that basically means you have Java installed and you are good to install Spring Tool Suite. So to install STS, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and just simply search over here Spring Tool Suite download. So that will show you the spring.io. So just simply go to their official site, and this link I'm going to provide on our description. Once when you are here, you will see that it is available for Visual Studio Code and it is also available for Eclipse. So this is what I am going to download and going to install it. In my previous videos I have already showed you how to use it on Visual Studio Code, so do follow that video as well. This video we are going to talk about how to use it for Eclipse. So depending upon what operating system you are using, and to download that for Windows, I'll just simply click on this download button, and immediately we'll see that a zip file of Spring Tool Suite version 4.27 is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and you can see that the same product is already been downloaded over here, and the file size is 703 MB. So all you need to do is now you need to just simply right click and you need to click on extract all. So that's going to show you this location. So I'll recommend you to change this location to your C drive. So just simply go to your C drive, just simply click on select folder. So that's going to extract all of our files on our C folder directly. Alright, so just simply click on extract and immediately we'll see that it is rightly started extracting. So it is really a big file, so it's going to take some time to extract it. So by the time it get extract, I'll request you to please do subscribe our channel Geeky Syntax. So along with our main channel Geeky Script, don't forget to subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel as well. Here also regularly I am posting lot of coding related videos, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. And also I am posting lot of videos on WordPress, so if you're interested to learn about WordPress, you can always watch these videos. So you can watch this entire playlist. So some videos are 1 hour, some are 1 hour 30-minute video, some are in series, so you can watch all these videos. Alright, and it's totally free on our channel. So here let's wait for some time. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Spring Tool Suite is rightly extracted. So if you just simply go to your C drive, you can see that it is rightly extracted over here. So if you go inside, you can see all files and folders are already over here, right? So now what I'm going to recommend you is to rename this folder a bit. So just right click and go to show more options and click on rename, and rename it to little shorter, to something like this, just the folder name and the version. Alright, so now just simply go inside that folder and maximize it, and so this is our exe, so you need to double click on it. You can also create a shortcut. So let's create a shortcut also. Right click and click on show more option, and just simply hover over Shent 2 and click on desktop shortcut. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a desktop shortcut over here, and we have double clicked, so our Spring Tool Suite is also rightly started launching. So next time onwards you can just simply click on the shortcut and that's going to launch your Spring Tool Suite. Alright, so you don't need to go to your C drive all over again. So you can close that folder as well. And you can see that our Spring Tool Suite is rightly launched. So here it is telling whether you'd like to set this default directory as our workspace folder, so you can keep it default, or if you want to change you can always click on browse and you can give your own location. It's totally your choice. I'll keep it default and click on launch, and it's rightly started launching, and it has rightly launched. So let's maximize it. So this is the interface of our Spring Tool Suite. So if you previously use Eclipse IDE, then you must be recognizing a pretty similar interface. So here you can always click on exclude Spring Tool Suite from Microsoft Defenders to scanning. That's going to make your system a little slower. So you can exclude STS and click on proceed. So yeah. So that's going to ask you for administrative privileges to Microsoft PowerShell. Just simply click on yes, and that is also done. Yeah. So this is the interface of our Spring Tool Suite, and also it's pretty similar to Eclipse IDE. So now I'm going to show you how to create a Spring Boot project and how to run that. So here you can already see under Package Explorer you have all these different options. You can click on this create a new starter project. So from here you can create a Spring Boot project, or else you can also go to files and hover over new, and you can click on this Spring Starter project from here as well. So when you click on that, it's going to open that same window over here, and you can already see the service URL as well, right? So yeah. So here you need to provide your project name. So let's give a project name something like Hello World. So that exact same name will be in artifact as well. You can change this group to something like let's say hello world, and we are going to use latest version of Java. Remember, we have checked our Java version on command prompt. We have installed Java 23, so it is very important to select that specific Java version from here. So I'm going to select that, and type I'm going to change it to Maven, as Maven is popularly used among Java developers for this type of project. So I'll select Maven. Alright, so all other things I'm going to keep it default. So it's going to be version 1 of our project. So everything is fine. You can change this example.demo to something like hello world. Alright, and this group name also is little bit of typo. I'll make it hello world. Alright, so everything you can keep it default and just simply click on next. So here you can see we have all these different drivers available, right? So if we expand something like SQL, you can already see we have JDBC API, Spring Data, JPA, and all that. We have a MySQL driver as well, PostgreSQL driver. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to use PostgreSQL, MySQL, in fact NoSQL as well. So here is our NoSQL. To establish connection with front end with back end, we need these drivers. So you can install drivers from here right when you create your project. Alright, so in this video I'm not going to discuss about all these things. So I'll just simply keep everything unchecked. I'm not going to check anything, then just simply click on finish. So that's going to immediately going to start creating a very simple Spring Boot project, Hello World. You can see it is slightly started creating that, and here also it is importing and downloading some of the sources. So you can expand our project also. You can see we have a src/main/java folder over here. If we expand this, we get our package Hello World. So if we expand this again, we got our class file as well. So if you double click on it, you can see that same class file is already open. So here is our class Hello World application, and we have a main method here as well, and that simply runs spring application.run. Alright, so you also have a pom.xml file over here. So when you double click on it, it's going to show you all the details about your project. So first thing first is we are going to use latest version of Spring, that is version 3.4.2 at the time of making of this video. And here is our group ID, then artifact ID, and this is our version of our project, and we have a name as well, and this is just a simple description of our project. So everything is rightly set. So now it's time to run our application. So just simply click on this run button and just simply click on Spring Boot app and click on OK. So immediately it's going to ask to provide permission to run this app. So just simply click on allow, and click on allow again, and you can see that our project is already up and running over here on our console, right? And here is our boat dashboard. So if you expand local, you can see our hello world project is also showing over here. So let's write something. So let's print something on our console as well. So something like system.out.println, and let's something like hello world, just end with semicolon, and just save this file and click on run button all over again. So that's going to again start building our project, and finally can get the output also showing on our console, right? Hello world. So whatever you have written, that same output is coming on our console. Alright, so in this way you can easily install latest version of Spring Tool Suite, and you can start working on your Spring Boot project right on STS. So that's basically all about this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Syntax, and also if you're interested you can also watch our complete WordPress tutorial by following this playlist. And lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.